Continuing coverage of breaking news from the Fox News deck this afternoon. I'm Shepard Smith. Back to Cavuto in just a moment. But first, as Neil reported just a few minutes ago, the Associated Press has now confirmed through law enforcement sources that the name of the shooter at the Los Angeles International Airport this morning is Paul Chansha, or Ciancia, we're not sure yet, a 23-year-old man from New Jersey who wrote a rant about killing Transportation Safety Administration personnel. I have some information about it right over here. This is from the Associated Press. This crossed just in the last few minutes. A law enforcement official tells the Associated Press that the suspect in the Los Angeles airport shooting is a 23-year-old man from New Jersey who wrote a rant about killing Transportation Security Administration workers. A law enforcement official who was briefed at LAX on the investigation but not authorized to speak publicly said the gunman was wearing fatigues and carrying a bag containing a handwritten note in which he said he wanted to kill TSA and pigs. The official requested anonymity because he was not authorized to speak publicly. Again, the man's name is Paul Chansha, or Ciancia. A second law enforcement official confirmed the identity, speaking on condition of anonymity. So that's what we know on this matter. For now, Los Angeles International Airport is a mess. There is some traffic that has resumed there. Federal Aviation Administration authorities have told us if you plan to fly today to, from, or around the West Coast, call or click before you go. Neil, back to you.